Alright guys, gals, welcome back to SOS. I've got something really unique. You guys might remember I used to show a lot of Ontario Knife Company knives. And you might be aware that I show a lot of, what other knife company? Tops Knives, that's right. So I have something very unique here that I have to show you. It even comes with this certificate of authenticity. That's really cool that it's in there. Let's pull this out. But that is really cool. There's a sheath that it comes with. So I wanted to point out first, before I change anything, that is the sheath. That is a very good, it's got your, that's a good, it feels, I just think I'm holding a Tops Knives here. You flip it over. But it is a duo. It is a duo, folks. And that's really cool. But all the colors here, I like the orange, the red. It's got the, this color going on here. It's kind of a bronze kind of color. And here you've got your brass fitting. And it is set up for the outdoors. This is a great field knife. Outdoor knife. Anything from hunting or just camping about. That is slick, isn't it? You want to say the same thing. It's like, yep. Then see, we've got your divot here for doing a bow drill. That's what those divots are used for. It's got one on each side here. It's got nice thumb location for feathering. But it is a great, well thought out knife. We don't want anything too crazy. Nobody does. Especially in the field. The sheath is amazing leather. And I was thinking, well, what can I do to this thing? Because, it has everything you need for basics. But what if you want to just, take the traditional sheath it comes with and just make something for it to carry your tinder and your ferrule rod for doing your fires. And that's really all you need. Or you want to bring just a tiny sharpening rod in there somewhere that doesn't take up a lot of room. Simple and keeps it very survival and realistic, and doesn't take up a lot of room or weight. So let's go ahead and whip something up real quick, and I'll see what you think of it. And just like that, easy peasy. Now this thing's fully adjustable. You can remove it from where it's at and bring it up higher. You don't have to come down so low. You can tuck all this in, but I just figured I'd make a quick video today to show you something you can make real quick if you get a knife like this and you just want to put something on it. The dye to match this is dark brown. That's all you need to know. Make sure you use the correct threading and everything. It's just a simple snaps in the back. That's all there is. But there is your ferrule rod. You have your tin with all your fire starting needs, and for giggles, threw in a compass and a little extra ferrule rod action going on there, and a flashlight and a pace counter. I knew I was going to get carried away. Didn't want to drag you through it, so that's how I share without dragging you through the mud. But I like to make these all the time. It's one of my favorites to build. It's just a real simple pouch with a band with snaps to connect, a place to hold a ferrule rod, a place to hold a flashlight. Because there's a lot of knives that come out from Tops, OKC, that their sheaths are so well made. You just want to put something on them that makes it simple and gives you all the other benefits of the outdoors. So hope you guys enjoy it, and please share. God bless. Take care.